grab your journal, and at the top, you're going to write lesson 16, okay? We are going to play a game. But before we do, we're going to do a quick review, okay? So, for this game, for today's lesson, you're going to need a partner. And so I would go get a partner now, and so that you and your partner can both be watching this movie. And then you can both play the game, okay? And then, of course, you can both check off this lesson after you've watched it with me, just both of you together. So pause me and go grab a partner. Okay. For the review, I want you to write down in your journal 626 subtract 48. Okay, let's do this, okay? We always start with the ones. 6 take away 8. Can we do that? So we need to borrow a group of 10s, right? So let's come over here. We're going to borrow one of those groups of 10. So this becomes a 1. Now this group of 10s comes over here, and we add it. 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, 16 take away 8 is 8. 1 take away 4. Can we do that? So we got to borrow. So let's come over here. This is 6 groups of 100. We need to borrow 1. So we're going to take that away and make that 5. Now we get to add a 10 to that 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 take away 4 is 7. And then 5 just comes down. So our answer is 578. Okay? Do you guys remember how to do that? Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Games and Activities folder. And I want you to you're going to get the subtraction, spin, solve, and cover. Now, if you'll notice, there's one with a star. And there's one with a smiley face. Okay, so just notice that. And what you're going to do is you're going to play a game with one of them, either the star or the smiley face. And then if you have time, then I want you to play a game with the other one. Okay? So you'll do one and then you'll do the other, if you have time. So you'll pick one to start with. So we'll pick this one, I just picked this one. And then what you'll do is you need 2 paper clips and a pen, a pen or a pencil, okay? And this is one of those spin games. So you put a paper clip right here, and then you put your pencil right here, and then you can spin your paper clip, okay? So you spin your paper clip, and it will land on a number. Now, you can write these down in your journal. You can write them down on a whiteboard. You can write them down on a boogie board. That's up to you. So, get something to write it down on. Pause me if you need to. Okay, you're going to take turns. So let's say I'm going to go first. I'm going to put my paper clip in here. Let's see if this looks, if you guys can see. Nope, put my paper clip right here. And I'm going to spin. Okay? Let's say I got 928 when I spun my paper clip. So I would write down 928. Then I put my paper clip on here, spin it. Let's say I got 404. So I'm writing down 928, take away 404. Okay? So then I solve it. Okay, so then I solve it. And I say 8 take away 4 is 4. 2 take away 0 is 2. And 9 take away 4 is 5. Okay, so my answer is 524. So now I look on here. And I look for 524. It's right there, right? What I'm going to put on there is a counting bear. Now, you guys need to go get counting bears. You need to get the same color. So like, let's say that I pick purple counting bears. I need to go get about, oh, I don't know, maybe 8 purple counting bears. And your partner, the other person, you need to get the same color as, but your own color. So maybe you'll get green. You need to get about 8 green ones, okay? So you pick the color, what you want. So, pause me and go get your counting bears. Okay, you got your counting bears? So, my color was purple and I got 524, so I would put my purple counting bear right there. Then, the partner takes his or her turn. Okay, you spin this one, write it down, take away, spin this one, write it down, and then you get your answer, whatever your answer is. Okay, and what you're trying to get is 3 in a row. Anyway, so you could get like these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3, or these 3, okay? And the first person that gets 3 in a row wins. Okay, so remember how I got the 524 at the beginning? Oh, I would so want to get 340 and 291 so that I could have 3 in a row. Okay, and the first person that gets 3 in a row wins. Then, if you finish this one, then move on and do the other one. Okay, or just try and finish one. All right, have fun.